Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I know we're living in some very difficult times economically, so I've been trying to put together some fairly reasonable meals. Now this meal, one pan cheeseburger skillet, you can make it in 30 minutes and it's for about 10 bucks. You can feed the entire family. So let me go ahead and walk you through this. So what I've got here is a pan over medium heat, and I'm going to add in a pound or half a kilo of lean ground beef and a medium chopped onion. And we're just going to cook this up until the beef is cooked through. So I'm going to chop this up a little bit. Chop, chop, chop. Now the beef is nicely brown and the onions are translucent. I'm going to add in a 28-ounce can, about 800 milliliters of diced tomatoes, about 2.5 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now if you don't have this, it's really easy to make, and actually I've got a recipe on my site. And I'm going to stir this and bring it to a boil. Get that nice Dijon mustard in there. If you don't have Dijon, you can leave it out, but I really like it. It adds a nice touch. Now we've got a boiling happening here, or a boil happening here. I'm going to add in 2 cups of raw pasta, and this is rotini. And I'm going to give this a stir. It even smells good right now. And we're going to slip a lid on this and let it cook for just until the pasta is al dente. Hey guys, so I'm out here in the herb garden and I'm going to garnish this with some fresh parsley, so I'm going to go ahead and pick this. Well, I would say that's about perfect right there. Hey guys, some of you wanted to see Coco, so here he is, the one, the only Coco. Say hi, Coco. He said, no, I'm going to play. After about 18 minutes or so, I'm going to remove the lid, and this is nicely done. And I'm going to add in a cup of Tex-Mex. Now, some people use sharp cheddar, but I like the Tex-Mex. And we'll just kind of stir this in. Look at that nice ooey gooiness. And we're going to garnish this up with our fresh parsley. Excuse me, I'm snacking on it. So good. And there you have it, guys. Our one-pan cheeseburger skillet. Make this in 30 minutes. Very economical. You're going to love it. You've got to try this. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Just look at that ooey gooey goodness, guys. This is so good, guys. Everything just blends together so nicely. If I could dream of cheeseburger in a pan, this would be it. You've got to make them.
For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.